Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,816.33 as investors awaited tougher US sanctions on Iran and monitored weakness in Asian technology shares. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 slipped 0.01%, while Germany's DAX fell 0.26%. In the US, the Nasdaq closed higher at 26,180.46, while the S&P 500 advanced to 7674.37. In company news, energy explorer Georgina Energy raised £1.25 million to support its Hussar drilling program and working capital. Defence engineering group MS International secured a €19.4 million NATO naval gun systems contract. Against sterling, the US and Australian dollars weakened, the Swiss franc and Japanese yen strengthened, while the euro was broadly unchanged. Bitcoin was also unchanged. In commodities, copper, Brent crude and natural gas moved lower, while gold gained. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.